Ginger is one of the most popular spices consumed around the world. It is well known for its pleasant taste and aroma and can be added to a number of different recipes, teas, or even smoothies. Not only is ginger one of the most popular spices, but it is also known as one of the healthiest as well. It contains high levels of different nutrients, contains unique bioactive compounds, and can promote our overall health many different ways. You do not need to consume ginger in large amounts. Pieces cut into a ½ inch to 1 inch in diameter is more than enough. Now, let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of consuming ginger regularly. First, ginger is packed with many healthy vitamins, minerals, and other important nutrients that can support the overall health of our body. It is an excellent source of manganese, potassium, copper, vitamin C, and niacin to name a few. Raw ginger is also a good source of dietary fiber, contains a potent compound known as gingerol, and contains antioxidants and micronutrients. Consuming ginger regularly can also help to reduce inflammation throughout the body. In fact, ginger is well known for its anti-inflammatory effects and properties. This allows ginger to provide relief for those individuals dealing with stiffness and certain joint issues, especially in the knees. Studies have also found that regular consumption of ginger can help to reduce stiffness and pain for those individuals suffering from osteoarthritis. The anti-inflammatory properties of ginger can also help to reduce the risk of certain diseases. Another important health benefit of consuming ginger regularly is its ability to help improve the overall health of the heart many different ways and reduce the risk of developing cardiovascular disease. Consuming ginger regularly can help to lower cholesterol levels naturally, as well as triglyceride levels, which can help to reduce the risk of heart disease. Studies have shown that consuming ginger regularly significantly reduced bad LDL cholesterol, while at the same time raised good HDL cholesterol. It also contains a powerful and unique substance known as gingerol, which is well known for its medicinal and healing properties. Gingerol is the main bioactive compound found in ginger and offers many medicinal properties, such as reducing nausea, reducing symptoms related to the common cold and flu, and boosting the immune system. As well, gingerol offers powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, which can help to reduce free radicals in the body that can compromise the immune system. Lastly, consuming ginger regularly may be able to improve overall brain function and reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease. This is often associated with its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, potent antioxidants, and the compound gingerol. Some studies have shown that the bioactive compounds and antioxidants in ginger can help to reduce inflammatory responses in the brain, which could reduce the risks of certain brain disorders. Ginger may also be able to help improve both memory and reaction time, while also helping to protect against age-related decline. Always discuss with your medical practitioner for further treatment and prevention methods in this regard. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.